How to fix MacBook Touchpad double tap not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open System Settings on your MacBook and on the sidebar, select the Trackpad option. Here, make sure Tap to Click is turned on. Also, try toggling secondary click or right click on. The next fix is to, in System Settings, again tap on Accessibility and then on Pointer Control and then on Trackpad Options. Make sure Enable Dragging is enabled. You can choose with Drag Lock if needed. Now, set Ignore Built-in Trackpad when mouse is preset to off. Now go ahead and restart your MacBook normally and test the touchpad again. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, try double tapping in Finder or on your desktop to check selection behavior. And if your issue is still not fixed, it might be external devices. So if you have an external mouse or trackpad connected, macOS might ignore the internal one. So disconnect all external pointing devices and restart your Mac. Now, test the internal touchpad alone. Also, make sure you are using an updated Mac OS. So open System Settings and tap on General and then on Software Update. Go ahead and update your MacBook further, and if none of these work, it could be a deeper hardware or Mac OS issue, so consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. So this is how you can fix MacBook Touchpad double tap not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.